Welcome. This video I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6 DirectX error. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, and once that's done, just type down DirectX like so and hit on enter. Once that's done, click on the first link, which is from Microsoft itself. Click on it. And once done, you have the blue button right here that says download. Just click on it, save it wherever you want, and wait for the download process to finish. And once that's done, just click on it and the installation will begin. You can now go ahead and close the browser, accept right here, hit on next, untick this bloatware, hit on next, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, click on finish right here. Now go ahead and locate your NVIDIA app or AMD app, or it could be Intel. Okay, here I have it on my taskbar. I'm going to right click on it and click on NVIDIA app. If you can't find it, just got to use the search bar and type down NVIDIA right here. Click on NVIDIA app. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go to drivers right here and make sure that it says here up to date. If not, you'll have an update button right here. Okay, make sure to click on update, wait for the process to finish, and once done, close this one. And don't forget to restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.